Everyone, welcome to Trade Only the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty week review. So we are going to see from weekly level to for intraday level. So this level you can take it for a short term, and even for the intraday, I'll give you the short term level. So we'll move on to the chart. First, we'll take Nifty. So this is the Nifty level right now. So Nifty currently are trading at the pivot line as per the GAN numbers. So right now Nifty at pivot line that is 15,876. So our view is from this level, like from May I'm telling the Nifty has to move minimum 16,129 and 16,384. That is the level of target. So currently it is struggling at pivot point. So anytime it can break and it can travel towards 16,129 and 16,384. These are the levels for a short term. So don't go short now. If you are selling it, so you can use the intraday, the small levels and small levels of stop loss, and you can go for a sell. So minimum target has to reach 16,129. So without reaching this, you cannot expect much any fall below this 15,129. So for my setup for the coming weeks, so any fall towards 16,000, sorry, 15,625 levels, it is opportunity to buy, and we can expect 16,129 and 16,384. And even if it is falling below 15,625, the next level of buy is 15,376. So the entire zone, it is accumulation zone. So you can without a fear, you can accumulate Nifty stocks, even Nifty future, and even option also you can trade. So this is the best level to buy, and again you can expect the further up move. There is no possibility for a down move. So in case market needs to fall, remember minimum to minimum 4-hour candle need to trade below 15,129. This is the stop loss level currently. 4-hour candle need to close, and the next candle needs to be traded below this. Then we can expect a further fall. Otherwise, market can bounce back. So this is our ultimate target, 16,129, until use every dip to buy. So last time I have given an instruction clearly the last 2 weeks back. So any fall towards this level, you can keep buying it. See, every time it is falling and bouncing. Even if this time if comes, buy a small quantity, and even if comes down, add it, and you can expect a further upside. So this is the short term view. As per 4-hour chart, I'm keeping it. So this is the cycle where I'm expecting the target 16,125 from long time. So this is my expectation in the short term view. So we'll see the intraday levels, like for the coming week, short term, very short term level. So if we for short term, like for intraday or next 1 or 2 days levels, see, right now it is in that distribution zone. You can, I think you can able to see this. So this is the selling area where in the intraday Nifty getting rejected every time. So market going up, and again it is coming down to the buy, and again it is moving up. Again it may come down. So when it will get breakout, so at least 30 minutes candle or minimum 15 minutes candle need to be close above this 15 minutes candle minimum. The minimum you, for intraday, you can keep this minimum 15 minutes candle needs to be close above 15,939. Then we can, the next candle if started trading above this, then we can expect further 1665 and 16,129. So until it is in the sell, and we can expect a fall towards 15,687 and 15,625. So this is the area right now Nifty at struggling at. So use this level for intraday purpose. So any movement above this, don't go buy immediately. Nifty needs to confirm the 15 minutes at least need to be traded above 15,939. Then we can expect a further up move. Otherwise, market can reverse to this level. Okay, so this is for Nifty, and we'll see Bank Nifty also. So if you see Bank Nifty levels, as for me, it is trying to move above this 35,300 to reach 36,864. That is our main sell zone. So, but I don't know the reason, but as per GAN method, it is already in the sell. It is already in the distribution, and any rise towards this, it is a sell and rise. So the stop loss for this movement, stop loss for this move was 38,416 is a stop loss. So this is the stop loss. The same for Nifty. 4-hour candle need to close above, and next candle need to trade above this level. Then we can go long, and until you just look for a selling opportunity. So this is what I'm expecting in Bank Nifty. So 36,864 to this, but current price 35,344. This is the selling area. So once Bank Nifty entered into this zone, you can keep selling it. So you can expect a minimum target of 32 and 39.76. The drop is possible in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty don't go aggressive buy. It is already weak, and in case any flash move, like any impulse move towards this, it is opportunity to sell it. So you can sell aggressively at 36,864, and you can expect a fall towards this levels. So this is the short-term view. Short-term view may take 1 week, 2 weeks, or 4 weeks also, but it will happen. So remember the numbers, so remember the levels. So in Bank Nifty, I'm looking for a sell and rise. From here it is sell, but the problem is there are 1,500 points different. So don't lose that much. So wait for a better sell entry and go for a short. Okay, and we'll see the intraday levels for the coming weeks. If you see the short term, like for intraday levels, so Bank Nifty, yeah, same like Nifty, it is sitting at main sell zone in the smaller time frame, and the stop loss is 35,721. This is the stop loss. So you can wait up to 15 minutes closing above this. I suggest to go with the option hedging if you are trading in future, because if you wait 15 minutes, Bank Nifty can rally 1,000 points also. So don't take that risk. You better take option hedging. Opposite side, you can buy a call while you are shorting the market, and you can be safe. The capital can be saved. So almost this is around 300, 350, 400 point gap. Don't do this with taking a stop loss. Better go with the option hedging. You buy CE to protect your impulse move stop loss. So I suggest next, that is tomorrow and come Monday and this coming week. So go for a sell. The current market itself sell, and in case market breaks 35,721, it is a bullish signal. Market can rally further 36,400 and 36,800. So in case market coming down, it is time to sell until 34,200 and 33,856. So now it is in the selling area. So sell this week. I'm expecting sell. Even Nifty also doesn't sell side. However, Nifty looks bullish overall in the short term, but for intraday levels, it is sell zone. The same like in the Bank Nifty also, it is in sell zone, and it is already in the short term also, it is in sell, and even intraday levels also, it is in sell. So we look for a selling. I don't know the news. I don't know the other techniques. As per a GAN number, it is showing sell. The stop loss is very clear. 35,721 above 15 minutes close. The next candle started trading above, then go long. Yeah. Thank you for watching Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly view. Thank you all.